So what's on our list of things to do now? We've got to float that wall section out right there with 2 coats. We also got to float that out with 2 coats. Now you could do that right now, or we could work on the electrical next. Either way, we're going to have some other patching to do up in the ceiling where these are mounted, plus that light fixture junction box. We're going to have to do away with that. There's also a wire that goes into that light fixture that goes up underneath that, and we're going to have to demo that too. So we're going to have a ceiling patch there. We're going to have to actually patch that. We're going to pull those wires out of there, put a piece of sheetrock there. We're going to have to take this out too. We're going to have to cut that out, put sheetrock backing up there, and add a little piece of sheetrock in there. Okay, so I know I've got a sheetrock patch here. I'm going to have to patch that hole there where that junction box is, and I'm also going to have to patch where that other light fixture is. I might as well do all that patching when I float out that wall and that wall, okay? So what do you suppose our next step would be then? Yes, we're gonna, well, it's a 2-stepper. We're gonna get up there in the ceiling. We're gonna disconnect that ceiling fan, figure out what we're gonna do to patch that sheetrock. That's the next thing we got to do. And after that, we're going to get up there and we're going to remove these light fixtures and get ready to do some patching. Okay, a few things we got on our list. I got my work cut out for me. I've got all these different things to do, but you know what? I can do it. And if I can do it, that's right, you can do it. I'm not going to show you anything I don't think you can't do, okay?